Today I am introducing you to the Tiny Terrazzo fabric collection. This collection is all about happy vibes and playful colors. This collection is a rainbow of fruity pastel shades that will bring joy to your quilt projects. These blenders aren't just your average solids, they've got a little extra something, a bit of texture and depth that makes them shine. They are scrumptious up close. They're designed to complement your busier prints, letting those patterns take center stage while adding just the right touch of charm. Think of Tiny Terrazzo as the perfect companion to my Jellybean Meadow fabric collections, or any collection really. These fabrics are versatile, soft, and ready to replace the solids in your stash. Whether you're creating a bold statement quilt or pulling together a scrappy masterpiece, Tiny Terrazzo is here to make your projects pop. Dive in and let your creativity run wild. Let's take a look at each of these fabrics and then I'll show you the kits that we're offering over at Meander Make.